Hello everybody, this is Hasib Khan once again, and today we'll be talking in our home program. This program has been delayed for some time because I was working in a web channel, but eventually I've left that, and now I will be talking about different aspects, different issues in this program. Well, today we'll be talking about the climate changes, the climate, oddities, the different, the up and downs caused climate in Pakistan. Well, we'll be talking about first of all, I'll be having brief points on the climate, and we'll be discussing in detail. Well, the irregular pattern of snowfall in Murray and the wider Gilgit area is yet another sign that slowly and perhaps irreversibly our climate is changing. This is the first time in 39 years that snow has fallen in this area in the month of April. Well, March also saw unusual warm temperature followed by heavy snow, and as you can see that temperature is being changing. You have seen when I'm talking about the March 2017, sorry for quoting it wrong, I'm talking about the April 2017, where you have even noticed, and personally I have noticed, the temperature is getting a bit hotter. Well, the layers goes up with a cold temperature also, and adding to this the fact that the region saw its hottest summer temperature on the record in 2017, and we have a picture of a very odd climate pattern between the hills. Pakistan is one of the country most vulnerable to climate change as it develops heavily on river flows that originated from mountain snowfall. Each monsoon season bringing with it unusual rainfall, and now winters and spring are also bringing to see bizarre weather pattern emerges. As in agrarian country, agriculture country, there are grounds to be extremely concerned about the impact the situation will have on a cropping cycle and the pattern, where the government, if you talk about the government, well, they have not been doing much about this issue. Well, this is a very grave concern, which the people are mostly it's the very high level concern for presently the government to need to pay on this issue. Well, now if you see, the government is paying mostly attention they're giving on the public relationship. Well, they need to work on the seed that are being sowed in this year. If we talk about the research, we have not been doing as well as research we should be doing. Well, we had some few research about, and that has also been done about a few decades ago. So we need to work on this to have a better world to live. Well, Pakistan is flying blind into a possible storm without making effort along these lines. All manner of help is available from international community, but thus far nobody from the government, not even from the climate change ministry, seems particularly interested beyond attending a few regional seminars. I was talking about if you see the ministry website, it shows only 2 books and 2 monographs published over a decade ago as it research output. Signs of climate change are all around us, sometimes coming in the beginning form like in these spring snowfall, and at other time as a massive cloud burst that causes. Well, that's all the issue we need to be talking about. The government need to look into this issue. Well, this issue is a greater issue more than the political atmosphere. The government can have a very, even the federal government and the provincial need to work on this issue, and this will give a very kind of a positive good response by the people, and as it's the democracy for the people, by the people, so the government need to pay attention on this issue. Well, Hasib Khan is signing off. Thank you for today. We'll be talking for tomorrow. Until next meeting, take care of your family, take care of all of you around, and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.